Hello students, once again myself Nahid Parveen, your EVS teacher from Montreal School, Dhanbad. Today we will start our new chapter, that is chapter number 5. Okay, so all of you take out your EVS book, chapter number 5, page number 39. Fine. See students, our next topic is clothes, a basic need. I hope you all understood or you all know the meaning of clothes. Okay, now let us start with our topic. Why do we need clothes? Why we need clothes? To protect ourselves. Okay, let us start. Basic human needs include food, shelter and clothing. Clothing means pehnawa. Okay, being a human being, what is our basic needs? Food, shelter and clothing. Okay, clothing is required to protect human body against extreme weather conditions including strong winds, intense heat, cold weather, heavy rains, etc. Why cloth is important? Because as we all know that we wear clothes. Okay, we all wear clothes. Clothes come in different styles and colors. Okay, clothes not only make us look smart but also protect us from extreme weather conditions and changes like cold weather, intense heat, heavy rains, strong winds, etc. Okay, and it also protects us from dirt and dust. Okay, it make us look nice. Fine. Thus we need to wear clothes because clothes keep us safe and comfortable. Clothes keep ourselves safe and comfortable from certain conditions. Okay, apart from this, clothes enhance our personality. Personality means vyaktitva. Okay, it enhance our personality. Okay, when we wear a pair of neat and comfortable clothes, we feel pretty and confident. Okay, after wearing a pair of neat and comfortable clothes, we look good, beautiful. Okay, we look nice. Okay, now turn the page, that is page number 40. See, types of clothes. Okay, clothes not only cover our skin but serve many other purposes also. Clothes, after wearing clothes, it does not cover our skin only but also serve many other purposes. Okay, there are innumerable types of clothes. Innumerable means uncountable, asankhya, bahut sara. Okay, however our clothing depends on certain specific factors. Okay, these are the factors that affect the type of clothes we choose to wear. Okay, according to our certain conditions or factors, we choose our clothing styles. Number 1, weather. Okay, wearing woolen clothes in winter is important, but in summer we cannot wear woolen clothes. Okay, what we wear in summer, we wear loose fitting cotton clothes in summer to stay cool. Okay, and in winter we wear woolen clothes to keep ourselves warm. Okay, in the rainy season we wear raincoats over our clothes to avoid getting wet in rain. Wet means भीगने से बचने के लिए. ठीक है, भीगना. Okay, we wear raincoats to keep us safe from getting wet in rainy season. Okay, understood? So these are the types of clothes that we choose according to the season. In summer season we use loose fitting clothes, cotton clothes. In winter we use woolen clothes, and in rainy season we use raincoats to keep us safe from getting wet. Okay, understood? Live up to here. Okay, your homework is, now listen your homework. Your homework is read chapter 5, page number 39 and 40 up to dot. Okay, next class we will continue our next topic, or we will start our next topic. Thank you.